Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Frieza from Dragon Ball Z. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more Dragon Ball Z characters, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to draw some. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoy. Now to start off with Frieza, let's begin with the eye. So I want to start right up here and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down and then back in like a check mark shape. Then we're going to come down to a point and bring it back, almost kind of like a diamond shape. And we're going to put like a little dot right in the middle for the pupil. Next, I'm going to make another line that's going to go down and over. And another line that's going to come up. We're going to make this come down and over, nice and skinny. And we're going to put this little dot right there. I'll make another check mark shape for the eyebrow. And we'll do another one over here. We'll make a little line that's going to go down and then over for the nose. Then we're going to make this line come over. Then we'll go down and up for the mouth. We'll make a line across for the teeth and then a curve for the tongue. Starting here, we're going to go out. We're going to bring this down and then up to kind of shape out the chin. Then we'll bring this over for the jaw. We'll kind of curve this shape right around here. And then we'll do a couple little lines in here. Then I'm going to make an oval shape right here. We'll make another curve shape over here. Then we'll make a nice big shape like this for the head. Let's draw a line that's going to go down and then up, and then it's going to go back down for the head. Make a couple lines here and a line here. For the neck, we're going to draw a line down. And let's make another line down here. We're going to curve a line here for part of the chest, and then another line up here. We'll make a line here and then a line down. We'll leave some space and we're going to curve this line up. I'll bring a line in here and then kind of curve this to here. We'll make a line here, and then a line in here. Next, right here, we'll curve this up for part of the shoulder. And we'll make a line here for some detail. We'll make two lines that come out here for part of the arm. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3 bumps. I'm going to bring this down and kind of angle it up. We'll do that same thing here and then kind of connect that to here. I'm going to go down, over, and then bring it up for the thumb. Then we'll make a line here and a line right here. Next, we're going to leave some space and let's make a sad face right here for the top of the shoulder. And then we'll connect it here. We'll make another little sad face shape. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line up and then over to here. And we'll make one that comes down and around. Now we're going to make this hand pretty big. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, It's going to come down and in, and then down and in. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to bring this down. And we'll just make these little curves. That'll be a little bit easier. Next, I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to bring it back. And we'll make a couple little curves. Then we're going to make the pinky. We're going to make this kind of smaller to here. And we'll make those little curves again. Bring this down a little farther. Then for the thumb, I'm going to come out and bring it to here. Then we'll go up and in like this. We'll make a line here. And then a line up here. We'll curve this right there. We'll make a line here, and then two right here. Then we'll make a line that comes down, and we'll connect this to here. Next, I'll bring this line to here, and then let's bring this up for the shoulder. I'll bring this line down and in, and then down and in. I'm going to curl this around, and then we'll curve this around and put one line here. Then we'll do a little line here for some detail. Next, in the middle of the chest, we're going to make like a V shape. And another little line that's going to come down and in. And then one that's going to go down and over. We'll bring this down and in to kind of shape out the torso. And same thing with this, down and then in. We'll bring this line down and then a line across. We'll curve this and we'll bring this line down. Next, we'll leave some space. We're going to come down and in. And then to shape out the leg, I'm going to bring this line in kind of like a smiley face shape. And then we're going to bring this line down to here. And around for the knee. Bring this line around here. Line down, and then a couple broken lines here. Now for this foot, we're going to come out and then bring this up. Then we're going to make that middle one that's going to come down a lot longer and up. We'll draw a little line, and then we'll make this one right to here. We'll curve a toenail on top of each one. This one's kind of more at the bottom, just from the angle. We'll make two lines here. And then a couple little lines right around here. We can do a couple more here. Now for this leg, I'm going to bring this down, leave some space, and we'll start to come up again. And we'll bring the back of the leg down. We can make another line up here and a line right here. I'll do a little shape here for the knee. Then I'm going to come out and then into here. Then we'll curve this down to here. Bring a line around here and a line here. Then we can connect this part right there. We're going to come up and connect it to here. Then we're going to make this foot. We're going to bring this down and curve around. Then I'm going to bring this down and up to here. And then we're going to bring this down and around for this foot. We'll make those little toenails on top of here. We'll put this one kind of more to the side. And then we can just add some little lines across here. Next, we want to make the tail. So to start the tail, we're going to bring it back here. And I'm just going to make a line that's going to come to the hand. And then we're going to jump over. Now, what I kind of do is I like to hover over here so I know that I'm getting the right shape. So I'm going to bring this to here. Then I'm going to hover over this, and I'm going to curve a line to here. Now, instead of starting here, I want to start up here. And we'll bring this to the leg. And then we'll jump around and come to here. Next, we're going to make it nice and skinny, and then it's going to slowly get bigger as it goes farther or closer towards the body. So we'll jump to here. We're going to bring this down and then up to here. Next, I'm going to put some little broken lines right across the tail here in just some different little spots. This is just going to kind of help make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. We'll do one here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Frieza from Dragon Ball Z. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.